Dear all, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to explain about the usage of auto draw. That is how we can open the auto draw and how can we use its tool online. Basically, auto draw is a software which is to be used online only. So here we are going to start the software. Just to start the software, in the browser window we need to write auto draw. As we will write and press enter key, we will get many options. Yes, we'll get many options. As I'm selecting auto draw, this is the very first option which I'm getting. So this is from the autodraw.com. You have to click on the very first option. So this is the interface which will available to us. So before we start, we should know the page size which are available to us. As we'll click on these three dashes, so we need to click on them. So these are the various draw areas on which we can draw. So first of all, I have selected this one, and if I click on this, the size will change, and if I click on the third option, the size will also change. Now I'm selecting the first option where the size is quite bigger one. So one more important thing I want to tell you that it is totally based on AI experiment. Now I will tell you that how it is based on AI experiments. First of all, we will draw something, and along with that commands I will explain you the same thing. So dear children, so the very first option is this auto draw. Basically it is the draw feature using which whatever we are going to draw, related objects will be shown to us. Suppose I want to draw a hut over here, so I need to select the color. So this is what I am selecting. So all the pictures related to this particular picture which I have drawn, all the pictures are available. So this is a feature of artificial intelligence. How it is, like, as we are giving some image clues, as we are giving some clues of an image, all the pictures which can be related to this are available to us. So this is AI. So if I'm going to click on this, as you can see, the perfect hut is here in front of us. If we want to fill color in this, we can use the fill color option. By clicking on this, we can select the color options by clicking over here, and clicking over here I can fill the colors, and we can select some more colors. So this is how we can fill. If I select the red color, it can be filled over here. Just click in the center, so a beautiful hut is ready in front of us. So if we want to make tree, then we need to click here again. So we need to click on auto draw just to get the similar objects. So if I'm drawing a tree over here, so all the images which are related to the tree, they are here in front of us. If I'm selecting this, you can select the color. Okay. So if you want to fill the color in this, you can fill the color, and using the we can fill the more colors here also. So this is the color which I have filled the color in this tree. Now if I want to draw a river near this particular hut, so what can I do? If I am going to click on this auto draw tool, and I'm going to click, or I'm going to draw an image like this, so it is here in front of us. So many options are available. If I'm going to click on this, we can see that these options, or this particular lake is here in front of us, right? So we can use this, and so this is a lake which is here. You can resize it. Okay, you can resize it, or you can change it. You can click on the borders only, and if you want to change its size, you have to click on this border, and you can drop it anywhere, wherever you feel like dropping it. Okay, So the next one, what we can do is, if we drag it down, if we reduce its size, it can be placed here nearby. And what else we can do? Suppose I am drawing, yes, let's take a blue color only. If I want to draw some waves or the mountains like thing, so what we can do is, suppose I'm drawing this. So the waves like this, yes, the waves can be there like this, and these are the waves which we can put over here. If we want to increase the size, we can, or with the help of this arrow key also you can do this, right? If you want to draw some more waves like this, or you want to draw a boat over here, then you can draw a boat. Yes, it will understand this. AI will try to show you the related images. So boat is here, so automatically the boat will appear. So this is not looking good, so I'm going to delete it. Suppose it is here, right? And if I want to fill some color in this, so we can take some different color and we can fill the color in this boat. So this is how we can do. And if I want to draw sun over here, bright sun, so it is not that one which we want. Select and we can delete. And if I want to take the sun, all the images which are related to this can be seen. Yes, we have to draw the sun, so it is showing us that this sun can be there, right? So by clicking on this, and we can place it anywhere where we want. So here you can fill the color as well using the fill color option, and you can fill the color. So your sun is also ready. Okay, your boat is also ready. Now if you want to draw some grass over here, what you can do, you need to click on auto draw. Beta, I'm telling you that this is completely based on AI, because we are just drawing small figures and random figures, and it is guessing that what it can be. So it is based on AI. Suppose I want to draw the grasses. It is telling us that yes, it can be. We need to click on this. So it can be placed, and it can be placed here. Okay, and we can copy and paste also. Control C and Control V command can also be used, right? So as I'm pasting over here, you can also Control C and Control P. The more copies can be created and pasted. Control C and Control V, we can drag and we can paste it here as well. Okay. So if you want the size should be reduced, we can reduce the size and paste it here. It is completely up to us. Now I want to fill color in this, so I need to select the fill color and use the green color. We can fill the green color in this. As you can see, the green color has been filled. If we want to draw the birds, so I can draw the birds here. Birds can be drawn, or no, it doesn't look good. I'm using Control Z, and if I take the brown color and if I want to draw the birds, so let's see. Yes, we are getting the birds. Yes, it can be. By clicking on this, we can reduce the size. The birds are flying. Yes, the birds are flying, right? So we can fill color in this. So we can select the color. By clicking on this arrow, we can select more colors also, right? Suppose I want to fill this gray color. No, it is not looking good. So if I want to fill this blue color, we can use we can fill the color also. Clicking on this, the color will be filled. And you can take by clicking on this, copy and paste. You can take as many copies as you want, right? It is not up to the mark, so we can select it again and we can copy and paste either by using the arrow keys or by dragging with the help of mouse, we can change the we can paste it somewhere wherever we want to. So suppose I want to fill this color, this is looking quite good. So this is what the text color. Suppose I don't want this, it is not looking good, we can paste it as many times, so we can paste it as many times as we want, right? So click it anywhere and you can copy and paste as many words as you want, right? And suppose you want to apply some background color in this, so what you can do, you can select any of the color, and just take a light background color. Suppose I'm taking this peach color, yes, this color, and I'm clicking here. So this is how you can paste and you can fill the background color. So if you want to write something, you can click on this text tool or type tool and you can write, or you can write here, you can clicking on the text tool, you can write the scenery, right? You can reduce its size. So this is how you can use all these types. Now if you want to share it with someone, then you need to click on this and you then need to click on the share button, and it is preparing to share. And using this, a link will be created and you can paste the link in the WhatsApp group or on the mail. It is preparing to share, right? So it will take a few more seconds. Yes, we can copy the link and we can paste the link anywhere, either in a mail or in a WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.